Hi, my name is Sid. I'm the Regional VP and General Manager for Dataiku. I'm based in Dubai. I've been with Dataiku for the last 3 years now and covering Middle East and Turkey, also Africa. So GITEX happens to be a very exciting event for us. We're not just the sponsors. What excites us is the fact that we've got our customers here as well. We're focusing and advocating the whole concept of what we call everyday AI. Now, everyday AI as a concept in simple terms is basically ensuring that AI becomes second nature to every organization, where every organization then has the ability to provide their employees with the tooling that's required to make them more smart, more productive, and more efficient. Dataiku is an end-to-end data science platform that helps organizations deliver business value, which basically means that as a platform, we cater to every persona within the organization. So imagine a team of data scientists, data engineer, line of business managers. If a tool like Dataiku is not there, everybody will be working in silos. What Dataiku does very well is that we make sure that there's common understanding of data across the lines of business. The other thing that we obviously focus on is the fact that there's a huge focus on security and governance, because as organizations start scaling machine learning and AI within their organizations, it's important that security and governance is not given a miss. With Dataiku, we're turning raw data into business outcomes for organizations and helping them scale at enterprise space. So as far as digitalization is concerned, it's important the conversations that we're actually having with people here at the conference. We speak to a lot of CDOs in the organizations. And it's interesting to have those conversations where CDOs have a difficult choice to make when we talk about digitalization specifically around AI. And the choice is that how do they make sure that they cater to every audience within the organization? They need to make sure that the coder community is happy, the clicker community is happy. They want to make sure that there's agility, there's speed at the same time, there's no compromise on governance. You want to make sure that more and more projects actually go into production, at the same time avoid shadow IT. And you need to make sure, it's a tough choice between short-term wins and long-term gains. So as Dataiku, we help CDOs to sort of strategize that, because with a platform like Dataiku, you now have the ability to do all that I mentioned. Not just that, Dataiku, as a business approach, we approach AI in a slightly different manner. We look at the value drivers for organizations, things that really matter at the C-level, which means that we try to associate our use cases to increase revenue, reduce cost, optimize processes. Therefore, there's always a business angle to whatever we have to offer to organizations. So in conclusion, I would say with a platform like Dataiku that helps you cater to every audience within the organization, and at the same time having focused on the right kind of use cases to deliver value, digitalization becomes second nature for every CDO out there. So business leaders can definitely scale AI, and we advocate the whole concept of start small. It's very important that you have a strong business champion, somebody at the business level who understands the value drivers, like I mentioned earlier as well, and is a key sponsor for you. So that's number one, having a strong business champion. The second thing is to identify the right kind of use cases that are easy to deliver and have high value as well. What basically means is that you have the ability now to go and identify the key champions across the lines of businesses. Get the right people, do a little bit of internal assessment as well. How ready as an organization you are for AI. Invest in certifications, training, upskill your people, and then consider vendors like Dataiku on the platform side. The idea is to start small, deliver a particular use case, measure the value, communicate that value back to the organization, and that creates the momentum that's required to scaling AI within the organization.